Hello everyone, this is the Hokkaido Tourism Organization, and today I'd like to introduce you to Hokkaido, Japan's northern frontier. The northernmost island of Japan, Hokkaido is a vast land covering over 80,000 square kilometers. Despite its size, it has the lowest population density in Japan, with much of the land left in its natural and untouched state. Here, humans and nature have long since existed in harmony with each other, a tradition passed down from the Ainu people, whose culture and lifestyle were rooted in an intrinsic understanding of humanity's role in preserving the natural environment. Hokkaido features a vast array of stunning natural landscapes, from wide open plains to rugged mountain ranges, lakes, rivers, and marshes bursting with plant and animal life. Its unique ecosystem makes it a haven for all kinds of wild animals, from brown bears to majestic Japanese red-crowned cranes, and rare migratory birds such as Steller seagulls and white-tailed eagles. In the summer, Hokkaido's greenery bursts into life. Hokkaido's cool and breezy summers are perfect for hiking in nature or exploring the lakes and marshes by canoe. During the long, cold winter months, the entire island is covered in pure white snow. A bit of snow never puts off the true thrill-seekers, who choose to trek through snowy landscapes with snowshoes, and even scale the ice-covered mountains. We hope you'll come and see the natural beauty that Hokkaido has to offer.
Hello, we are Tohoku Tourism Promotion Organization, and we promote fascinating Tohoku. Tohoku is made up 6 prefectures and is located in the northeastern part of Honshu Island in Japan. It has a huge area and is surrounded by sea on 3 sides. As 70% of the land consists of forest and 10% of field, Tohoku is very rich in nature. Thanks to its scenic nature, Tohoku has an ever-changing seasonal beauty. Of course, there are several charming avenues that utilize its diverse nature. For example, trekking the scenic sunlit coaster, riding down the hills with amazing frost-covered trees called the snow monsters, and so on. As you have just seen, we have many attractive outdoor activities suitable for the post-pandemic situation. We hope that you'll get interested in Tohoku. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about an international art festival in Niigata prefecture in Japan. The Echigo-Tsumari region, where Tokamachi and nearby Tsunan town are located, is host to a world-renowned international art festival that occurs every 3 years, called the Echigo-Tsumari Art Triennale. We had planned on holding the Echigo-Tsumari Art Triennale 2021 summer of this year, but unfortunately, we had to postpone it. However, there are over 200 permanent artworks all over the region. Regardless of the time of the year, visitors can embark on the journey to appreciate art and nature as one. One of the most popular attractions is the Kyoto Gorge. This magnificent site is counted as one of Japan's top 3 canyons and has been officially designated a place of scenic beauty of Japan. In 2018, the Gauge Tunnel was renovated into a piece of artwork for the Triennale called Tunnel of Light by Ma Yansan, MAD Architects. The reflecting pool at the end of the tunnel is hands down the most beautiful part, where the gorge can be seen through a perfect reflection in the water. Other highlights of the Art Triennale include Echigo-Tsumari Satoyama Museum of Contemporary Art and Matsudai Nobutai Museum, both of which has been renovated for 2021. Please come visit. We look forward to seeing you.
Hello, this is the tourism division of Gunma Prefecture. Gunma is a mountainous prefecture in the center of Japan, located 100 kilometers north of Tokyo, and takes around an hour by Shinkansen. There are direct buses operating from the Narita and Haneda airports. The area is known for its onsen resort, skiing, and whitewater rafting, and an abundance of nature. We put the words "basic in beauty" on our website to express the image of Gunma. Charming onsen towns surrounded by mountains, marshland, and clear lakes are ideal for those seeking outdoor adventure. While small cities rich in tradition let you immerse yourself in Japanese culture. Gunma is perfectly positioned for an easy getaway from Tokyo, but longer stays are even more rewarding. When you come to Japan, be sure to visit Gunma.
Hello everyone, this is the East Peninsula Tourist Bureau. We are destination management organization for promoting East Peninsula's tourism. The East Peninsula is a landmass that extended about 60 kilometers long north-southward and about 40 kilo long east-westward, located at the eastern part of Shizuoka Prefecture, and the total coastal length of peninsula reaches more than 300 kilometers. The peninsula is located 100 kilometers west of Tokyo. It takes about 40 minutes by train and is 1 hour away from Tokyo International Airport. The East Peninsula is blessed with a rich natural environment where history, culture, and cuisine have grown and flourished. It is one of the most famous regions in Japan by hot springs. Therefore, many tourists have been visiting here since many years. The East Peninsula was designated as a UNESCO Global Geopark in 2018 because of its rich natural environment and geological uniqueness. How was it? The Izu Peninsula has outstanding sceneries, and the people of Izu Peninsula look forward to your visit.
Hello everyone. Seto DMO is an organization promoting tourism for the 7 prefectures surrounding the Seto Inland Sea, located in the west of Japan. The Seto Inland Sea is home to over 700 islands with spectacular scenery, fresh oysters, fish, citrus, and olives that can only be tasted in this area. The Seto Inland is also well known for the Itsukushima Shrine, a World Heritage Site with its famous torii gate floating in the ocean. The cruises allow you to enjoy island hopping in the Seto Inland Sea. A large-scale international art festival takes place on multiple islands, which is very rare in the world. You can also enjoy Dogo Onsen, the oldest hot spring in Japan, and a magnificent cycling experience on the bridges through the several islands. How do you like it? Please contact us, the Seto DMO, for more information. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.
Hello, this is Undiscovered Japan, the Kyushu Tourism Organization. We are located in the south of the Japanese archipelago in the Kyushu tourism region, and have the energetic nature that only Kyushu can offer. Kyushu is a place for fun and adventure that makes the most of its diverse nature. In the center of the Kyushu archipelago, the Aso Kuju Tourism Zone offers a variety of activities that take advantage of the nature around the Aso caldera. Enjoy the clean spring water and hot springs of Mount Aso and have a rich and fulfilling experience. Located in the northwestern part of Kyushu, the Sea Wind Country, Sasebo Ojika Tourism Zone is made up of many diverse islands, including the 99 Islands region in both the northern and southern regions. Here, there are over 208 islands, including the Goto Archipelago, comprising both Uku Island and Ojika Island. Visitors can enjoy sea kayaking and other oceanic activities that allow them to fully enjoy the great outdoors. In the northeastern part of Kyushu, in the area centered on the Kunisaki Peninsula in Oita Prefecture, the Tohoku Millennium Heritage Tourism Zone offers enjoyable trekking through dynamic rocky mountains. Please come to Kyushu.
Hello everyone, my name is Katsumi Yamamoto and I'm from the Kyushu Tourism Promotion Organization. Kyushu offers a broad variety of attractive contents such as its nature, culture, history, and local cuisine. For this time, let me tell you a little about the nature of Kyushu. There are several magnificent active volcanoes in Kyushu, providing spectacular scenery abundant hot springs, and beautiful water. Kyushu is also known for its numerous islands surrounded by the beautiful sea. Among the islands of Kyushu, there is Amami and Tokunoshima, which are newly expected to be registered as UNESCO Natural Heritage Sites this year. We have already received many requests from international media for coverage of these. Although Kyushu isn't that well known at overseas yet as a tourist destination, we are proud to consider ourselves as a hidden gem and look forward to welcome you here one day. We hope you can have a chance to enjoy the many attractions of Kyushu and experience the warmth of the locals. Thank you.